Hi every pony. Okay, so as seasoned viewers would know, I'm obsessed. Constantly posting, constantly talking, constantly thinking about Paper Towns by John Green. I read it a couple months ago. I rented it from the library and I loved it so much. And guess what? Bought 2 copies of it. So I figured, why not post an unboxing video? My alarm went off. Okay. So I bought a paperback off Amazon for annotating because I wanted to annotate it. And then I bought a hard copy, first edition hardcover copy. So I'm gonna open the Amazon one first. So, which is the paperback. I blur my information out of it already, so. I'll just put my mascara with this. So, oh my god. Okay. Mascara, unrelated, but I'm trying the waterproof one. I hope it's good. Oh my gosh. I love this book so much. Can't wait. Okay, I can't. Okay. That's dope. This is the signed one. Okay. I kind of want to be gentle with opening this. I'll just use my teeth. Oh. Ow, it hurts my jaw. I have this insatiable urge to bite stuff. What the fuck? This is fulfilling my urge. Ow, that hurts. Okay. Oh my god, I can see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Ah, okay. Why is he Loki hugs? Not Loki, Hikey. He's so, oh my god. Okay, let's see how it looks when I take, ooh, it's like indented. Oh, I don't think the camera's picking it up. A little bit. It's like... Is that his signature? Yeah, it's his signature that's indented on it. Oh my gosh. That makes me so happy. Dude. To think that the John Green touched this book. Well, not this book. He signs the papers that get bound into the book. Just to think that he touched this. Oh my god. Okay, so I have 2 copies of the same book. Hardcover. Paperback. I low-key hate paperback books. Ooh, okay, look. This is interesting. So, sorry, I'm breathing problems. The paperback, this is his name right here. But for the paperback, which this is the first edition, so, it says paper, and then there's a pin, and then it says his name. Like, his name's positioned differently. Does that make sense? On the hardcover versus the paperback? That's cute. No, but, God, I love this book. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I was obsessively checking my UPS shipping to see when it was arriving today at school. I bought it like Thursday, maybe Wednesday. I think I bought it Wednesday. I don't know. It's fun today. I'm so happy. Okay, well that's it. Let's test my mascara as just a little treat. I already have mascara on though, but I bought the waterproof one because oh my god, I cannot breathe. After my septoplasty, which yeah, my eyes were like uncontrollably watering. So like, and they still watering even though it's been like 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, I think. I don't know. Yeah, 2 weeks. So I bought waterproof mascara just to counteract that. Cause like in yoga, when we lay down, I love yoga, honestly, even though nobody in that class likes me. When we lay down, like my eyes start watering and it looks like I'm crying, and I don't want to look like I'm crying in class, because then like my eyeliner like streams down. Not eyeliner, my mascara. Cause I wear waterproof eyeliner. I love waterproof eyeliner. Anyway, so yeah, fuck this. God, it's not opening. I'm turning 17 this year. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Oh my god, I like that wand. I feel like they changed the wand. This is the false lash effect one, which would usually be like teal. Okay. Let's go close. Ew. I feel like I didn't really do anything, but also I'm wearing tons of mascara right now. I already reapplied. I put some on in the morning, then I reapplied twice at school. So it didn't really do anything except refresh the color because I was using the Brad mascara at school. But like, that's cute. I like it. I mean, let's smell it. It smells the same. It smells slightly like a pool. I noticed like some makeup smells like a pool. I don't know why. I love Essence. Yeah, they're cruelty free, which I like. I just like, I try to stay away from like non-cruelty free brands, which sucks. Because I want to buy the Maybelline Sky High mascara, but I just can't bring myself to because it's not cruelty free. But yeah, I mean that. This is epic. If you guys like this video, tell me in the comments if you like more kind of stuff like this. And also I recently hit 5K, which is like, I wasn't expecting that. Like, it's just been gradually going up. So please tell me what you'd like for like a 5K special, because I was not planning it at all. I want to get more into filming long form content videos because that's always what my intention has been, but I'm horrible with procrastination. So yeah, please read Paper Towns. It's so good.